Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to where the elastic tool is. We're going to do a really simple demonstration here where we're going to use the elastic more as a stabilizer for your V-neck. So here we go. We have this garment, it has a V-neck. You're going to put elastic in the neckline. So to start with, you need to actually select the neckline. So you want to make sure you're not in the A tool. You want to be in the Z tool. And you're just going to click the actual neckline. I only needed to click one side because this pattern is linked, so it's going to apply this to both of them. Now the elastic tool, it's not like a cute little fancy tool that has like a little fun picture next to it. Instead, it's kind of hidden in the property editor. So that's over here on the right hand side. So you just got to kind of scroll through and find it. It's actually kind of towards the top. You can see there it is. I found it under selected line, elastic. And it's off, so I'm just gonna check on, and we have some options. It defaults to a strength of 10. It also defaulted to a ratio of 80. So if you notice, my segment length is 8.136. If I get a calculator and times that by 0.8, I bet you the answer will be 6.15. So it's gonna change the segment length to be 6.5 inches, so a little bit shorter. So if that's what you want, that's okay, but maybe you're using this as a stabilizer, you don't actually want to change the length of your line, you can type in the ratio to be 100. And then watch, if you notice it changed to 8.14, which is just like our line. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the space bar, and it just kind of stabilizes it a little bit. While we're on this file, some of you guys might be asking, like, how come I only see one fabric, silk chiffon, and it's white? Why is this blue? Well, this fabric is, oh, what's the word? It is deactivated. So we can activate it right now. Let's see if that does anything. I'm gonna hold all the layers as well. I'm gonna right click and we'll just say activate. Okay, now let's hit the space bar again to simulate. So maybe it's just kind of heavy. I don't know. It wasn't activated. I actually don't really know why this file was shared with me, so I did not design it. But it's good to learn new things. You can right click, you can freeze, you can stabilize, apparently you can deactivate them as well. Maybe some of you guys, for fun, want to add elastic around her waist. You can do that if you want. It's not mandatory. So again, if you did that, you'd hit the letter Z and you would just hold shift and select all three pattern pieces. They all get sewn at the waist. I am only gonna add elastic to the skirts, which are kind of longer. Maybe you could also hold shift and grab the top waist. Play around with it and see what you think. Okay, well, there's my elastic tool. I'm gonna click it so it's on, and the ratio is at 80. You know what? Let's go ahead and leave it at 80 and see what happens. Okay, looks like I want to make sure. Okay, there we go. I'm going to simulate. You don't see a huge difference, right? So I'm going to go ahead and hold shift. Do you notice how the lines are green? That's to symbolize that your elastic is on. What if I change the ratio to 50? Okay. Hit return. It's kind of fun. Fun with elastic. So anyways, I just wanted to introduce you guys to the elastic tool, show you guys where it is, how you can control it a little bit. This is just an introduction to it. So play around with it. Let me know what you guys think.